My name is Alistair. I work as an IT support engineer and IT consultant. My use case was I wanted to be able to have something that had a level of security with it, but can boot up any hardware, bare metal hardware. So with this, you can type in the PIN code, the small one I was using, so you can type it in, it's got a battery, plug it into the device, you can boot up from that secure storage, and you have a booted system using the operating system that you've set up, you've configured, and any additional software that you have on it. It doesn't rely on any OS or software that's on the machine. As long as the USB drive can be read by the machine, you're good. I not only do recommend iStorage, I have recommended iStorage because it has the external key. It doesn't require anything else to be able to be used apart from the information of the key.